Rosary School, our pre-kindergarten program is designed to provide a safe, creative, and stimulating intellectual and social environment for 4-year-olds. We strive to provide an atmosphere of respect and loving appreciation for each person. Our classroom will provide hands-on experiences and games to prepare your children for their entry into kindergarten. We strive to be individualized in our dealings with the children, being sensitive to their needs and abilities. In PreK, we learn our colors. We learn our shapes. We learn our numbers. We learn our prayers.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom love commits me here. Ever this day be at my side, to light, to learn, to rule and guide. Amen. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
In PreK, we learn to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We also learn our letters.
A, P, B, E, K, H, I, J, C, N, J, L, M. We can write our name.
Okay, let's see you write your names. Good job. Thank you.
And we love to read.
What do you love about your school?
I love playing there.
What room is that? What do you like to do in there?
Play basketball.
Awesome.